You like the eggs? Some cheese in it. I'm sure it tastes good. I know I already got some. So fucking cute, Lola.